When I tried to drag and drop the missing DLL file, I got this error. You need permission to perform this action. To fix this problem, just close stuff here and go back to Windows. Right click on the folder you're trying to drop the DLL file and select properties and go to security tab and select the advanced option and owner select change, select advanced option again and select find now. Select the start icon. Here is your username. You need to select the username and select OK. Select OK again and replace owner on subcontainers and objects and select apply. Say yes option. OK. Select OK. Select advanced option again and change permission. Select the add option and select your principal and select advanced and select find now and select your username and select OK. Select OK option and then check mark this full control and select OK. Select apply and OK for save changes. Now you can able to drag and drop the DLL file inside the folder, replace the file in the destination, and as you can see we dropped the DLL file successfully. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.